Students, we've been given this question and we are expected to prove this using the identities that we have studied. Now, in the numerator, we got cos 4t negative cos 2t. In the denominator, we got sin 4t positive sin 2t. So, having got this information, I will start off by stating this. Consider the left hand side. So, I would be rewriting cos 4t followed by negative cos 2t divided by sin 4t positive sin 2t. Now we know that cos A negative cos B is equal to negative 2 times sin of A positive B divided by 2 times sin of A negative B divided by 2. Also, we know that sin A positive sin B is equal to 2 times of sin of A positive B divided by 2 times cos of A negative B divided by 2. So we will be using these two formulae in the left hand side. So if we were to do that, so this is going to be equal to, so therefore the left hand side will be rewritten as negative 2 times sin of 4t positive 2t divided by 2 times sin of 4t negative 2t divided by 2 over 2 times sin of 4t added with 2t divided by 2 times cos of 4t negative 2t divided by 2, which is equal to, the 2 and the 2 can be cancelled. I got a negative sign there. Now these two components will get cancelled. I've got sin of 4t negative 2t will give me 2t divided by 2 over cos of 2t divided by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this is going to be negative sin t divided by cos t, which is nothing but negative tan t, which is what is required. So this is the requirement. So this is equal to right hand side, hence proved. So you got to state that.